By the end of this video, you'll have set up your first algorithm using QuantConnect's default template and run your first backtest. Along the way, you'll learn how to set the start date, the starting cash, subscribe to market data, check whether your portfolio is invested, and place trades. Alright, let's get started. After you create and log into your free account, you can create a new algorithm using the default template. Then, you'll be greeted with the main.py file, which is where you instruct QuantConnect what to do. Technically, the template defines a new class called Emotional Green Dinosaur that inherits from a class called QC algorithm. This class currently has two methods, initialize and onData. While you can name the class anything, the methods must be named exactly as shown for the algorithm to function properly. Since we are testing what could have happened, we instruct QuantConnect to hypothetically start to backtest on December 12, 2022 with $100,000. We also subscribe to market data for 3 tickers with a minutely resolution using self-add equity. These configurations are set in the initialize method because they only need to be executed once at the beginning of the algorithm. After that, our algorithm receives data every minute as the history evolves. A note about self.add equity. It doesn't directly return the market data you are subscribing to. Instead, it performs tasks like subscribing to the data behind the scenes and returns an equity object, which we don't even assign to a variable in this case. However, it is important to remember that self.add equity returns an equity object. So, how do we access the market data? We'll discuss that next. To instruct QuantConnect on the actions to take when it receives new data, we list those instructions in the onData method, which gives us access to the market data through the data argument. Our instructions here are, if our portfolio is not invested, then buy the securities such that each one accounts for 33% of the total portfolio value, otherwise do nothing. So our algorithm will receive data on December 12, 2022 at 9:31 a.m. ET, when we buy the equities per the instruction. Because self.set holdings are converted into market orders, by 9:32 a.m., our algorithm will find that the portfolio is invested and will do nothing until the end of the backtest. Now we are ready to backtest the project. Let's review the report. There is a lot of information, but I usually start with a sanity check with the current equity, fees, and the equity curve. In this case, I don't see any glaring issues indicating code errors, so we can proceed with a deeper analysis if we wish to. Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and happy coding.